If you're seeing the message your Steam account cannot send or receive trades, don't panic. This is a common Steam restriction and in most cases, it's fixable. First, the most common reason your account is limited or restricted is if you've never spent or haven't spent at least $5 on Steam. Trading is locked. Buying any game wallet credit or DLC directly from Steam fixes this. Second, check Steam Guard. You must have Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator enabled for at least 7 days. If you just turned it on, you'll need to wait. There is no shortcut here. Third, verify your email and phone number. An unverified email or recently changed phone number can temporarily block trading. Fourth, check for a trade ban or community ban. Go to your Steam profile under the Steam settings and check VAC status. This will show you if there is any ban. Only Steam support can help. Finally, avoid suspicious activity. Rapid trade, scams, or third-party trading sites can trigger temporary locks. Once these are fixed, log out, restart Steam, and your trading access should be restored. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.